What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Epoch Elite V2-T, specifically the 12-volt 460 amp hour version. This is Epoch's flagship 12-volt house battery, and the V2-T brings some meaningful upgrades over the previous generation. Let's get into it. So clearly the packaging is solid. We have no concerns there. You have a UN rated outer carton, a printed inner box, and plenty of packaging at the top and the bottom. And most importantly, the battery comes sealed in a waterproof bag. Also in the box, you'll find the external gauge and the meter harness. Everything you need to get started is right here in the box. After pulling the battery out, you'll notice right away this thing has a presence. We're talking 97.5 pounds, so have a buddy ready to unbox this with you. The enclosure is PC and ABS plastic, giving it that flame-resistant rating that it needs. I can't stress this enough, the build quality feels premium. This is not your budget battery. So let's do a quick walk around. Up top, you have the state of charge meter. This is also where your Bluetooth lives. So you can pull up live data on the Epoch Cloud app, whether that be on iOS or Android. Cell voltage, temperature, state of charge, cycle count, it's all there right on your phone. On the side, you'll see the M8 terminal bolts, positive and negative. Tighten these to torque setting 12 during install. You'll find all of that information clearly in the user manual. One of our favorite parts about this battery is the CAN communication port for easy Victron integration. You can simply plug and play with any GX device, whether that be the Servo or the Chrono. Set it up once with DVCC enabled, and the battery takes over charge control automatically. This is genuinely set it and forget it. And then over here, this is the big one for the V2-T. You have the integrated Class-T fuse housing. Let's talk about it. Epoch has built a 400 amp Class-T fuse directly into this battery. And this is a really significant addition to this model. Let's go through why it matters. A Class-T fuse is the gold standard for high current DC protection. This particular Class-T fuse that Epoch chose for this model is rated at 20,000 AIC up to 160 volts DC. What that means practically is, in a dead short or catastrophic fault event, this fuse can safely interrupt that current before it becomes a fire or arc event. Most batteries in this category leave that responsibility entirely up to the installer, but Epoch has it taken care of here for you. This is really beneficial because it just simplifies your wiring. This fuse is user serviceable and is positioned right near the battery outlet, which is exactly where ABYC standards want source protection to be. For marine installs especially, this is a compliance win right out of the box. Less hardware to source, less wiring complexity, and the protection is already sized and certified for this battery. The fuse is UL listed as well. The documentation is right there on Epoch's product page. Now let's quickly run through all the fun data. 460 amp hours, 5.89 kilowatt hours of usable energy. Did I get that? Yeah, I think I did. Continuous discharge is 230 amps. That's verified through extended thermal testing, not a marketing number. Continuous charge is 210 amps. Peak discharge is 500 amps for 30 seconds and 1300 amps for a single second if you're running a large inverter surge. It's IP67 rated, dust tight and waterproof up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. The internal heater kicks on at 41 degrees Fahrenheit and keeps the battery chargeable down to -22 degrees. Cycle life is rated at 4,000 plus cycles. The pack is UL 1973 certified and carries an 11-year manufacturer warranty. So that's the Epoch V2-T Elite 12-volt 460 amp hour model. The integrated Class-T fuse, the Victron native communications, the IP67 rating, and the verified continuous current specs. This is a battery engineered for serious installations, not just spec sheet impressions. We have a link to the product in our description. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Thanks so much for joining us today. Please subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.